Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you. Today I have with me 3 products from Riyo and I'm going to share a detailed review for each of them. So before we begin, if you are new out over here, do make it a point to check out all my vlogs and my podcast and hit the subscribe all notifications button. Back, I have with me Riyo Herbs, whose brand ambassador is none other than super cute celebrity Sonakshi Sinha. This brand is created with a vision to provide premium quality product based in an affordable range for the Indian audience. I'm going to share all the links in this video description, so do go ahead and check it out. You can also avail a discount using my coupon code. Riyo Herbs Sun Protection is a broad spectrum SPF 50 spray with the goodness of carrot oil, watermelon extract and vitamin E and A that helps to avoid sun damage and fight sign of aging. It has a lightweight formula and it is non-sticky, non-patchy, non-oily spray that does not leave any white patches after use. It is easy to use as you just have to shake it and spray it all your face on a moisturized skin or even after makeup for an extra protection. It has a non-greasy daily use formula that protects the skin from harmful UV and UVB rays. All products of Riyo Herbs have no sulfate, no paraben, no mineral oil, no silicones and no benzophenone. And this spray is suitable for all kind of skin. The net volume of this sunscreen is 100 ml and the key ingredients are aqua, octylmethoxycinnamide, octacrylene, avobenzone, oxybenzone, glycerin, carrot oil, watermelon liquid extract. Just shake the bottle vigorously before applying sunscreen. Keep the container 4 to 6 inches away from your skin. Remember to apply sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before stepping out in the sun. Reapply after every 2 to 3 hours and spray it all over your face and body when exposed to the sun. In case if you are regular to swimming, then spray this sunscreen after 80 minutes of the session or every 2 hours. The next product in line is Vitamin C Daily Glow Face Sheet Mask with goodness of lemon and aloe vera. This face sheet is a perfect daily use formula to achieve that healthy looking, radiant and glowing skin. The serum content repairs dead skin cells and brightens skin for the daily glow as it is enriched with the goodness of vitamin C, aloe vera, lemon that deeply penetrates into your skin. It gives multiple benefits. This sheet mask can be used by both men and women and at any time of the day or night. After washing your face, place the mask sheet on your face, adjust the holes around your eyes and mouth. Leave it on and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the mask gently and massage or dab the remaining serum on your face. Now why you should choose Riyo Herbs Vitamin C Daily Glow Face Sheet Mask? That's because it gives healthy, radiant, glowing skin instantly. It repairs dead skin cells, hydrates and nourishes skin from inside. It helps reduce redness, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and evens out the skin tone. The antioxidants present in this product helps protect the skin from UV damage, stimulates the collagen production as well. Moving on to the next and the last product, which is Riyo Herb D10 Cream. It is a no bleach cream for sun removal, skin brightening and even skin tone. It is formulated with the natural extracts like grapeseed oil, olive oil and chamomile oil, which gives instant whitening and fair looking skin. This product claims to show visible results within the first use and helps give that even toned, radiant and glowing skin in just few minutes. This product is also rich in antioxidants and antibacterial property that treats skin damage due to harmful sun rays. It leaves no side effects like other D10 creams and can also be used on the neck, hand, foot, neck, etc. and of course all along the face. After washing your face, apply a thin layer of Riyo Herbs D10 cream. Leave it untouched for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Massage your face gently with water and remove the cream with a wet towel or your fingertips. Adore and fall in love with your radiant and glowing skin.